What's up, guys? Today we're gonna be wrapping this Kawasaki Zx6R. We'll be doing it. Original color is a black. I had originally done this in a matte green. Had it on for about a year. Then he took it off, and then now we're gonna be doing it in this very nice matte nardo gray. So kind of keeping that matte look. We'll be doing it in that, wrapping the entire thing in it. It's not a difficult bike, it's pretty easy. First thing we need to do is we need to actually remove this cage. We'll be doing that, and then I'll be doing the entire thing, maybe remove the seats, and that should be it. It's not too difficult to do it with the parts on. Well, not this one. The tank, obviously, it's pre-oxidized, so I gotta clean that up, and then I'll be doing it in 3 pieces. So one piece on the side here, this top part will be another piece, follow the body lines, and then obviously right here we'll be doing it a separate piece. So it'll be in 3 pieces. We'll hide the seams along the body line, and then I'll be doing the sides first, and then the top part last, so the overlap is downwards. Cool. Alright guys, here's this first section of the gas tank. Just kind of sucks that you can see where the clear coat was chipping off, but he was aware of that. And then here's me doing this part. Obviously I laid the knifeless tape right here along this body line. Looks pretty good. Goes down here, and obviously the way I did this was I started off here. I hit it with some heat just because this is cheetah wrap. It's kind of low initial tech, so I had to heat it up to kind of build a bond before I stretched it. So right here there's no stretch. Right here I stretched the film that way, so I stretched it that way so that way it wants to hug around here. You see there's no tension anywhere near where the knife is going to be. Right here too as well, you see no tension at the edges, so I stretch the film this way, so the majority of the stretch is here, and right here it kind of goes back to normal where there's no stretch on these edges. You know, you kind of see where the line is. There's no tension anywhere near where I'm gonna make the cut. Same thing with this bottom edge here, there's no tension there. All the film's going this way. Same thing with right here, there's not much there. So yeah, cut that off and then reapply knifeless right underneath here, and then do this one in one piece, or do this one overlapping here and here. So go ahead and do that. Alright, here's the top part of the tank. As you can see, I laid the knifeless down here along this body line, and then same thing on this side. Laid the knifeless along here. So what I ended up doing is started the film here, and I stretched the film this way, so I was able to overcome most of it. So obviously I brought the tension down to below the line. I did heat it up to kind of see how far it would travel. It kind of just stayed right there, so that's where the tension line is. My knife is on top of here. Same thing with this side, you don't see too much. And on this side, same thing. See the knife is up here, and then the tension's down there. It's not too much, but even here you don't really see much. See a little bit more coming this way, a little bit more there. I did heat it up, so kind of verify if it would shrink up past this, and it did not. Right here, this one went down a lot easier. There's not that much tension here. Same thing with that. Cut around the gas tank. I cut here. Kind of shrunk everything that could have been shrunk here, and then tucked everything in that way. Same thing with this one. I had to kind of lift up here to heat this up, and then push the film inwards, and then let the air come out through the hole that I made here. Yeah, let's do that, and then we'll get started on the front next. Alright, here's what the front looks like done in one piece. Split here, obviously, and then this is that black plastic you can't wrap. So this is like the stuff that you would put the black to black back to black. It's that textured black. So taped off the headlights, that way when I do cut here, I'm cutting on the tape, not on the glass. You can see I kind of went here, took these off, reapplied them, and then technically all you do is just split these in two, and it's a lot easier to do this side and then that side. So this front end's actually not difficult to do. It's fairly easy. Yeah, and it ends here, so you kind of just follow that, and then this is a separate piece. So I'll be doing these next. So it's actually this whole piece. So it's from here and then to here, so I'll tape this off as well. Kind of look at that, how it looks.